Today I will show you how to write attribute data into the JS system. Right click house, then open attribute table. Open attribute table, then go to table option. Right click table option, then add field. Before add field, you must stop editing. Okay, stop editing. Save, stop editing. Then go to table option, add field. Then write a name of building. Then text. Write text or type. Select text. Okay. Add another attribute data, add field, then area float, or you can use integer, short integer. Then okay, right click, calculate the area of the building, calculate geometry, select calculate geometry, yes, in hectare or square meter, yes. This one is the area of the building. Then write the name of building. Start editing, go to editing, start editing, then continue, then write the name of the building. CB 1, CB 2, CB 3, eight, 9, 10. Then go to edit, then save edit. Go to edit, editor, then save editor. Finally close. You can add another attribute table, owner name. Then save, stop editing, then go to table, then add owner name. Owner name, select text, change length 30 minutes, 30 only allow 30 character. Then go to editor, then start editor, then continue, write the name of the owner. The first building owner is Mr. A. Ahmed or Ahmed. Second owner, okay, Dase. You can write the owner name, CDE. Write the name of the name of owner. Okay, Mr. X. Then save, stop editing, close. Name of tree, right click, then open attribute table, tree name, text, then change into 30 character. Then okay, then write the name of each tree, then write name of tree, then go to editor, then start editing, then continue, then name of tree, save, then close. Okay, digitize road network. This is a polyline, then change into polygon. Click create feature, then select road, then digitize road. Select road layer. Then go to editor, save editor, then save it. Editor, stop editing. Then change color of road. Okay, fill color black for asphalt layer, or the road is asphalt. You can fill black color. Then okay. Then remove antique polyline of road layer. This one is road structure or road network of the study area. Then you can add the attribute information of given road. Right click, then go to open attribute. Select this one. This one is main road. You can write road 1, add field, road name. Road name text, select text. Okay. Then start editing. Then select road 1 and continue. Then you can write asphalt. Second road is maybe gravel road. You can write this one cobblestone. Save editing and close there. Then finally you can display the name of house. Right click, property, okay, label feature, then select string name. You can display based on name, area, or owner name. Now select name, click Times Roman, Okay, 60 bold, apply. Okay, this one is name of building. Can display name of road and name of tree. This one is all about today class. Thank you.